How to solve ChatGPT error, sorry you have been blocked. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to solve ChatGPT error, sorry you have been blocked. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you're having this trouble right here, worry not, because I will teach you how to actually solve this. So the first method I will teach you is to disable any VPN that you have. So VPN exists on your extension on your browser, or it also exists on your computer itself. So just click on the search bar right here and then just search for VPN right here. Then after you have searched right here, just click on open this VPN settings. Then this will open the settings of your computer, and then after you have entered that, make sure to just turn off all of this right here if you have any VPN connections. The second method that I can teach you is to actually just clear the site cache of OpenAI. To do that, just click on the three dots in the upper corner right here, click on the settings, and it will open the settings of your Chrome. So right here, you can just search in here for site cache if you want. So let's just search right here for that. And then if there's no results found, you can just head over to the privacy and security. Then on here, you can see the site settings and also this browsing data. So click on this clear browsing data. But for this, make sure to just check the cached image and files right here. And make sure to choose all time for this. After that, just click on clear data right here. And then as you can see right here, it will be actually being cleared. So the next method I can teach you is to disable any extensions that might be hindering the ChatGPT. So just click on this right here, and here you can see all of the extensions that you have. What you can do is just click on these three dots right here, and then from in here, just click on this remove from Chrome right here. So just do this on any extensions that might be hindering ChatGPT. The next method that I can teach you is to utilize high-speed VPN. So maybe you are using low speed VPN or low quality VPN. So I will just give you these recommendations. So you can just search your web for best VPNs to use. And then after you have searched for that, you can see here the top 7 VPNs. So in here, we can see some suggestions like NordVPN, Surfshark, TunnelBear, ExpressVPN, and all of this thing right here. You must not be able to use the low quality ones because it will actually hinder you on ChatGPT, and you need to use these high quality ones in order to bypass this particular block. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to solve ChatGPT error, sorry you have been blocked. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them.